Guys, in this video we're going to be detailing the interior of the ML55. I'm super excited because I'm yet to get this done, and I've had the car now for probably 2 weeks now. It's going to feel great just to drive in a car that has clean interior. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, like this video as well. You're going to see more videos on this car. So pretty much what I'm going to be doing today would be detailing the dashboard, interior trims, steering wheel, seats as well, door trims as well. I'm going to be detailing the rear as well, but mostly I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be doing in the front here. So let's begin. Got some warm water here with some dish soap. I just want to use this here just to clean out any dirt on the dash before applying my conditioner and protector for the dash and the seats as well. So I will be using Chemical Guys here. I've never tried their stuff out before, but I've seen really good stuff about these products. It's a cleaner, it's a protectant, and pretty much the protectant is also kind of like conditioning, but I've got a conditioner product as well. I'll be using those on the seat actually, and just be using this for the dashboard and the steering wheel and for the trims on the doors and on the dash as well. Done cleaning the seats, the front seats, and the dash, the steering wheel, the door panels. They look all really good. So what I'm gonna do next, use a leather conditioner, pretty much the whole interior, the seats, the door panels, the dash, the steering wheel, except for the trim, because the trim looks really good. So this is what I'm gonna be using. This is the Rich Leather Interior Conditioner. And this is like pretty much the #1 brand to use for your leather seats or just anything leather related. All done. I actually went ahead and detailed the rear as well. I didn't want to show you guys because I didn't want to bore you out too much, but it was pretty much the same process of what I did to the front. I also did to the back seats as well. Man, this looks really good, guys. Check it out. It's really hard to capture it on camera, but it's looking a lot better. Give you guys a good view from here. Not too bad. Not too bad. I'm actually really impressed with this. And it smells really good. If I haven't mentioned that already. I just love the way that smells. This would be the ripe black cherry scent. Right there. Let's see if I can focus on there. There we go. So if you guys want to use this product, it's actually really great. I could tell like from the get-go, it really cleaned out the seats, the dash, the windows. Actually, it works on the windows. So I used it on pretty much everything, even on the trim, because this is, this is a cleaner as well. Let me see if I can focus for you guys. Cleaner and protectant. But after that, obviously I used the leather conditioner on the seats, on the dash, and pretty much anywhere that has leather on it. I haven't vacuumed in here because, it's decent, but I'll be doing that not in this video because there's not much really to show. Alright guys, well, if you did enjoy this video, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, join the channel, and I'll catch you guys in future videos. Alright, take care.